Yonkers moving lead providers. Do you own a moving company anywhere around the world and want to increase your customer base? Are you stuck on deciding the right marketing strategies to grow your business? Clients who have joined our Moving Leads program in Yonkers have seen a dramatic increase in sales and closing rates, both of which fuel more efficient business and more profitability. Our cutting-edge lead generation strategies cover every aspect of the residential and commercial moving industry and allow us to offer the highest quality moving leads, both in Yonkers and throughout the United States. Here are some of the most popular types of leads we offer in Yonkers: long-distance moving, commercial and residential moving, local moving requests, international moves to and from Yonkers, home moving and office relocation, piano, safe, and pool table moving leads, corporate relocation, leads for moving and storage. Give us a call today to learn more about how we can help your moving company save time and money on customer acquisition. 877-794-3044.